you can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. In binary and figure out how many bits are common. Okay, so now what you are going to do is you need to write this and find the summarization and specify that particular summarization into the green router. Okay, so whenever a traffic comes from outside for any of these networks, it will check upon only one network, which is the summarization I have already done. So 172.16.64.0/20. So whenever a traffic comes from outside, it will decide, okay, this particular traffic is destined for these networks, so it has to forward the traffic to this router. This green color router might have around 3 or 4 more routers attached. So he will check upon this and he will send only the traffic to this particular red color router. Okay. By doing the summarization, the CPU processing time, everything got saved. Okay. So that we can benefit it from the route summarization like this. So you can see how the 3 networks have been written for the final route summarization. It has been converted into binary and then again found the common bits. So then you can find the least network number and specify the common bits value. Okay, so you can refer the table for further clarifications. Okay, so finally we have finished our entire routing IP calculations. So now you can make sure you are ready with all the IP calculations for your exam as well as in your real environment. You can use this knowledge. Okay, so practice this frequently so that you can easily figure out the answers. Okay, by now it might be difficult, but if you practice few more times, it's really easy. Okay, for the CCNA exam, there are several questions repeatedly applying for the IP topic. Okay, so the same type of questions, and I didn't mention any question directly, but I have mentioned the values and you can practice this so that in your exam it would be helpful for you. Okay, and only one topic which I didn't include here is route table verification on IP. Okay, that we will do after we configure the routing and static routing, OSPF, everything and all. Then we will discuss about the route table and all. At that time, if I explain route calculations and routing table and subnet calculation, then it would be easier for you. But by now, the process of finding the subnets and all have been explained. Okay, so in order to answer those type of questions, again you need to remember this subnet calculations and all, and we can apply it there in the routing table calculations. Okay.